Hey everyone, and thank you so much for watching today's video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Anne, and if you have been here already, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this super soft glam eye look. And I'm gonna start with applying some eyeshadow guards. If you don't have them at home, you can use some regular sticky tape. And I'm gonna play with this palette from Miss Bella in collaboration with BH Cosmetics. She created this beautiful palette, which I think is a really nice palette to create like a soft, glamorous eye look. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna create a soft, glamorous eye look. And I'm gonna start with this color, which is called Baby Girl. It's a really pretty soft pink color. And I'm gonna start blending this all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner of my crease area. The brush I'm using is a E42 brush, I believe. I'm not sure, but I will make sure to put the name in the description bar. All the brushes I'm using are included in my brush kit that I created together with Sigma Beauty. So I'm gonna blend this all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner to make sure that my crease is pink. Then I went in with this brown color, which is called Scorpio, taking the same color and blending this in my crease as well. I'm just doing the same thing as with the other color, just blending this back and forth. And what this does, it's just gonna warm up the crease. I think it also slightly darkens up the crease. This shade is a little bit darker than the pink one. But I wanted my crease to be not like just pink, and by blending this brown color on top of it, it just kind of melts together and it creates more of this warm, beautiful color. I don't know how to describe this shade which is going on my eyelid right now, but I really love how it looks. Now I'm taking my finger to apply this rose golden shade. I feel like using your finger is always the best way to apply a shade like this with kind of like shimmer in it. It will give most color payoff. And of course, that's what we want. Like, just skip using brushes. Like, it always gives a hard time. You have to make your brush wet in order to make it look really pigmented. Like, just save some time and use your finger and this will do the job. Then I went back in with the brush I used earlier with whatever product was left and just blend it around the edges. Then I'm taking a Sigma Beauty angled brow brush. You can use any eyeliner brush that you have at home. And I'm gonna use this shade to create my winged liner. Now you can skip this part if you don't want to create a wing liner. Maybe you have hooded eyes and you feel like eyeliner doesn't really look good on you. You can skip this, or you can create only a simple line above the lash line. Or you can do what I did and create a wing liner. This is totally optional to you. What I do have to mention is that I did make my brush wet to make the eyeshadow color stand out more. And then I went back in with this gel eyeliner, which is from Maybelline. This is also optional. I feel like I could have skipped this part to keep it a little bit more simple for today, since I wanted to create a really soft and simple glam look. But I felt like something was missing, but I think it looked good without the gel eyeliner as well. Then I took a smudgy brush and I smudged everything out to make it less harsh. This is optional. Like I said, you can give your own twist to this eye look if you recreate it. You can add some things, you can leave some things out. Just give your own twist to it. Then now I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer and apply it underneath the winged liner, because I went a little bit crazy with the black eyeliner. So in order to make everything look good again and messy, not messy, just to clean everything up, I went in with a little bit of concealer right underneath the winged liner. Then now next I'm gonna go back in with the color Next, same shade as I used for the eyeliner, and I'm gonna apply this with a flat definer brush from Sigma Beauty right underneath the lower lash line. Since I used this color for the eyeliner, I thought it would be nice to use it for the lower lash line as well. And then I went back in with the color Scorpio, which we used in the crease as well. And now I'm using this to blend out the lower lash line and make everything look really nicely blended out. Also, I feel like these eye colors kind of make the green in my eyes stand out more, which is really nice. And I'm taking this pencil from the brand Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm using the color, I think it's called Mesmerizing Maroon. And it's actually a limited edition pencil, but it's really beautiful. It has a shimmery side and a matte side, and both of them are really pretty. Then now for my mascara, I'm using this mascara from Benefit Cosmetics in the name, I wanted to say shade name, but it's just the name of the mascara. It's called the Roller Lash Mascara. It's one of my favorites. It really lifts the lashes. Now I actually wanted to keep it this way and do only mascara, but I did ended up wearing fake lashes. But if you recreate this makeup look, you can definitely give your own twist to it. So yeah, I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. Also, let me know if you're gonna try it out, if you're gonna get the palette, or if you're gonna use some similar shades that you have at home to recreate this makeup look. Let me know in the comments, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys!
I've been thinking about you. I'm waiting